Palm oil is one of Malaysia's primary industries and makes up the largest share of its agriculture sector. In 2020, Malaysia accounted for 28% of the global palm oil production and 33% of its export. Its mass production comprises a land coverage of over 5 million hectares. With these numbers in mind, any crop loss, especially from pests, is something that needs to be remedied immediately and managed efficiently.
To overcome the pest problem, we have pest control spraying in conventional way. But the downside is the productivity and consistency performance were affected due to heavy reliance on labour availability, insufficient manpower to oversee the entire plantation. Besides that, the workers are also constantly exposed to the dangerous chemical.
In oil palm plantation, rhinoceros beetles are known as a serious pest to palms, where the adult beetles bores into the base of the cluster of unopened fronds or spears of the young oil palms, damaging several of the still-furled fronds. This boring activity produces holes on the petioles and V-shaped cuts on leaves as they unfold. Beetles do not ingest the solid plant material, but suck the juices. Damaged fronds may collapse or break off along mid-rib, which affects the photosynthetic ability of palms and considerably reduces fruit yield, which translates to crop loss, reduction in canopy size, delayed plant maturity, and smaller fruit bunch size. Continuous attacks on young oil palms may often be lethal.
Poladrone develops and manufactures Oryctes, a high-precision point-to-point spraying drone for immature oil palms. A few key benefits of using Oryctes are to introduce an effective, efficient and automated spraying solution, to provide better control of chemical usage, reducing chemical wastage and environmental impact, and to reduce the reliance on foreign labour in plantation workflows while upskilling local talents.
Based on time efficiency measurement, a team operating a unit of Oryctes Drone will cover more hectares per day, clearly outperforming manual backpack and tractor-mounted spraying. In addition to the improved efficiency, Oryctes allow for exact control over spray amount, which is not possible to the other spraying methods. When you can control the spray amount, it reduces waste and also chemical exposure to the environment.
The aim of this technical collaboration with Poladrone is to gain an insight advantage, which permits R&D to identify a superior course of action that is more innovative. We studied the application accuracy and time efficiency of point-to-point spraying using Oryctes through repeated testing on flat and terrace plantation land. This also allows us to accurately document pesticide usage in our spraying operations.
The level of accuracy and consistency makes Oryctes a viable option for P2P spraying operation. This also reduces reliance on manpower for tasks that are labour-intensive and harmful to the health of workers, especially when they are working long hours on tractor-mounted sprayer or traversing uneven terrain with a manual backpack.
With the latest technology, each of our oil palm tree can be monitored through aerial data, and that provides us with accurate and precise spraying on the targeted area. With Oryctes, we can make a full shift from manual spraying using the knapsack sprayer to an unmanned and high-precision targeted spraying.
To ensure continued operations of Oryctes, Poladrone's professional technicians at our 3S centres perform scheduled maintenance to keep them in optimal conditions and reduce downtime. Customers can be assured that the safety and performance of equipment is the top priority.
Okay, oil palm is a very efficient crop, capable of producing 10 times more oil per hectare than other leading oilseed crops. With high precision point-to-point spraying drones and its digital workflow, we can further improve the yields per hectare of oil palm. We have begun deploying Oryctes in several plantations of our southern region operations in Malaysia. Drone-based technologies allow us to focus on producing more yields and oil with existing land, in line with our sustainability commitment to halt green and brownfield expansions.
The future of upstream operations is precision agriculture using aerial data, digital land mapping, and automating high-precision point-to-point spraying missions. The Oryctes can streamline SDP's operational workflow and allow us to implement new tools and improve workers' knowledge. This is the beginning of the next generation plantation management solutions, which can be used across all SDP's plantations, resulting in a more efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly growth.
Drone technology is one of the solutions to address the shortage of labor across plantations. It also excites and encourages youth to contribute to the agriculture industry. This translates to the creation of new jobs across the region. Our 3S centers act as centers of excellence where individuals can learn more about the latest agriculture technology.
The best time to prepare for the future is now, and part of the future preparedness framework is the infrastructure readiness and also the human capital. The Oryctes Drone and its technologies will ensure adequate organization-wide Agriculture 4.0 readiness and the approach to the Sustainable Development Goals 2030.
Innovation and technology readiness will pave the way and gains lead time advantage for Agriculture 4.0 implementation. If we integrate what we have today, the knowledge from SDP's agriculture in the earliest decades with Oryctes drones, we may achieve a higher yield. The next step will be the matter of scaling this from the current scale to all our plantations. And that's our goal.